Carl Casper's 1951 Chevrolet, known as the Empress, is one of the most celebrated custom cars in American automotive history. Built over several years by Carl Casper of Flint, Michigan, it became a symbol of traditional custom craftsmanship and launched the career of one of the industry's most respected builders. Casper bought the Chevrolet in 1956 for $300 when he was only 15 years old. It was his first car, and before he even earned a driver's license, he had already begun modifying it. Because the Chevrolet was his only transportation, he drove it every day while continuously improving it. The first modifications included Frenched headlights, custom taillights, bubble skirts, and a lowered suspension. Working with experienced craftsmen such as Chuck Kimball, Art Bowden, and master metalworker Jack Florence, Casper developed exceptional fabrication and upholstery skills. By 1958, the car featured a one-piece 1951 Oldsmobile windshield, Frenched 1953 Ford headlights, a molded 1953 Chevrolet grille with extra teeth, a 1952 Pontiac front bumper, and 1955 Chevrolet taillights. Frequent winter driving in Michigan resulted in several minor collisions. Instead of simply repairing the damage, Casper redesigned the affected body panels, gradually transforming the Chevrolet into a radical full custom. By 1960, the roof had been chopped 3 inches, the sedan converted into a 2-door hardtop, 1958 Lincoln canted headlights installed, a custom tube grille fabricated, and sculpted bodywork added to the hood, trunk, and rear section. The car was powered by a rare 1957 fuel-injected Corvette 283 V8 equipped with 6 Stromberg 97 carburetors, backed by a Corvette 4-speed Muncie transmission and a 1957 Corvette rear axle. Debuting as the exotic Empress in 1960, the Chevrolet immediately won Best in Show at Don Riddler's Detroit event. In 1961, it captured Best in Show at the first Detroit Autorama held at Cobo Hall and became the NHRA National Custom Car Champion. The car later appeared on the cover of CarCraft's Top 10 Customs in 1963. A personal tragedy forced Casper to store the Empress, where it remained untouched for 41 years. Friends convinced him to restore it in 2004 with the assistance of Pat Keating, Glenn Miller, Steve Davidson, and Mike Taylor. Casper personally created a new interior and refinished the car in its original custom mixed magenta pearl color with gold scallops. The completed restoration debuted in 2006. The Empress remains the centerpiece of Carl Casper's personal collection. In 2019, it received the Detroit Autorama Preservation Award, confirming its status as one of the most influential and award-winning custom cars ever built.